All right, so here is what we're going to do. Okay, this is pinoynurseus.com. Logging into your account, type in /WP admin, and then click enter. Okay, now you're gonna have to enter your username, which is admin, and then your password. All right, click and log in. Okay, now here is the dashboard of your website. Now, if you are going to click on these different icons, you can see uh, what's in this inside your what's inside your dashboard. Okay, so what we're going to do is to create a post. To create a post, right? What we're going to do is to click on post. Okay, and then you can see here that there's one post here. If you want to edit this post, you just click on there and then click on edit. There you go. So this is now the inside of your dashboard. Okay, this is what we call the back end of your website. So this is will be your title. Prepare well and the journey will be smooth, and this will be your article. So you just continue typing in here. Okay, so you can say, right, so you can type in more. The best technique to smooth transition is preparation. It's, for example, let's continue. It's all about preparation. Okay. And then when you finish typing your article in there, you can update it here. But I will not update it yet because, for example, I wanna check on the featured image. If you can see here, there's a featured image already because I clicked it already. For example, there's no featured image yet. For example, now, and you just click on here, featured image here, right? And then as you can see, there's one image in here in the media library. Now, how did we have an image here? It's because the first time we uploaded it from here. So click on upload, select file, and then you can upload whatever picture would you like to encode in there. For example, I want to click on teamwork there, click open. Okay, so there's already this picture in there. So I want this to be the featured image on my article. Just click on that, right? And just set featured image here. So you click on the set featured image there. You can see there that the picture is already there. But don't forget to click on updates though to be able to effect the change. So click on update. There you go, and then you can click on here to view your post. So view your post, right? There you go. So this is now the picture that comes up on your website. So that's what we call the featured image. You wanna edit this post again? Just click on edit post in there. Okay, and then you just continue typing your article in here. All right, so that's how to type in your edit your article on WordPress. Okay, don't forget to click on update if you have some changes. Now, what I'm going to show you next, for example, we finished already this one. Okay, remember that you can change actually the layout of this page by clicking on your uh, layout in here. So if you want the left sidebar here, just click in there. Right sidebar in there, you can click it here. Let's just see. Let's find out what's the layout of this. Okay, you can also check the website from here, right? Home, and then click on visit site in there. Okay, that's your first article, right? So that's it. Just click in there. Also, the default layout is the right side is a sidebar. And this will be your article. I think this is the best layout so far for me. So I'll just maintain this one. And up to you if you wanna change it later on. Okay. So we're done with that. Now we want to go back to the dashboard. If you are checking on the page of your website, the front page of your website, you can just click in here and click on dashboard so that you can go back inside. Okay. Now you want to make another post, click on post. Okay. If you want to check the all posts first, that's okay. And then just click on add new in there. But if you want to click on directly, for example, you got the dashboard, for example, right? So from the dashboard, click on post and you can actually add new already in here. Okay, so either way, you can add post. Okay, so let's just go to all posts first so that we are able to check on the how many articles we have already there. Now I want to add post in there. Okay, so just click on add post. Click it already. Now here is a new post. Now, because it's a new post, you don't have yet the title. So up to you. What title would you like to encode in here? So for example, let's just um, type in nurses are wanted in the US. Okay, so that will be your title. Remember, as you can see in here, okay, there's no link yet. There's no link yet because you're still typing, working on the title bar in here. But once you click inside, okay, you see there, the link is already there. Now, for example, you want to change the title of your article. So nurses are wanted in the US. For example, you want to add more. Apply now, for example. Apply now. That will be your title. Now, when you click inside, see, the link in here is not edited. Okay, it's not edited automatically. So if you want to edit the link, because what happens is that when you edit the title here and you don't edit here, actually the link will be broken. Okay, well, that means you cannot access the link of this article. So what you're going to do to change the link is click on edit there, just remove everything, delete that, and then don't write anything, just click on OK. There you go. So it has changed already, and then it's adapted already on the title. You can now actually create your article here. For example, you want a big headline or letters on the first paragraph. For example, hi, okay. Are you a nurse? Are you a nurse wanting to uh, migrate, for example, migrate and work in the US? Now, here is your oops, chance to apply. Okay, and then you're gonna type more in here, right? And after that, you finish already your article, for example, you click on publish in here. But before clicking on the publish, for example, you want to set another featured image for this article. So just click on set featured image and you can choose if there's already an existing picture in the media library. For example, I want this one, just click in there. But if you don't like this, for example, and you want to upload another picture, just click on upload in there, select file, and then you can click whatever picture you want to upload. So click, for example, if we want this one, click, then open, right, there you go. And then we want to set this one as featured image, for example. There you go. So it's already there. Just click on publish in there, publish, because we haven't published this article yet. And then just go ahead, continue typing or editing your article. Okay, hi, are you a nurse wanting to migrate and work in the US? Here is your chance to apply. Okay, nurses are wanted in the US. Okay, and then don't forget to click on update in there to be able to update your article. Now, for example, you want to change this part into bigger text. So click on here. This is the formatting. This is the formatting area. So you can click on paragraph in there and click headings. Okay, whatever size you want in there. For example, I want this heading 4. Okay, there you go. And then you click on enter. Then it changes back to paragraph. Now you can type your paragraph as you continue. Okay, this article will guide you on how to apply as a nurse in the US. Okay, and then now, for example, I want to put a picture in here. Okay, for example, in my article, let's just click on, okay. So for example, in my article, this was the last article that we are doing. Okay. Now, if I click on that, we'll go to the actual article. So this is the title, and then the text have not changed yet because we haven't actually updated on the back end. So I want, for example, after this inside the article, I want to put an image or a picture below the text. So going back in here, okay. So for example, I want to input a picture in here. So I just click on add media there. Okay. Add media, and then for example, I want this picture in there, and just click on insert into post. Okay, there you go. So it's already in there. We can actually resize here. Click on the image, resize. Okay, we can actually position it in the middle by clicking here, the formatting, or on the side if you want whatever formatting you want. Okay, so for me, I want a center one, and then click outside, click outside, and then just go on and enter. Okay. So for example, you want to type again first. Okay, first. Okay, make sure you are a licensed nurse. Okay, for example, that will be your article. Click on update in there, update. Then you can view your post. You can click on here to view your post, or you can click in there to visit the site. I want to click into it to view the post immediately. Okay, there you go. So you see, that's all the title. That one's the heading number 4, and this is the article. The heading number 4 is bigger, and then it's the paragraph, and there's the picture that we have made. Okay, so that's how we're going to create a post, update the site, and then insert a featured image, and also insert a picture um, in the article itself. Okay, so you go back to the dashboard, just click on here, or mouse over the Pinoy nurse in here, and then go click on the dashboard. Okay, that's it. In the next tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to create a menu for your website. In this case, we don't have yet a menu on the website. Later on, we're gonna put in, for example, here, home, about us, services, and contact us somewhere here. That will be for the next tutorial. All right. Thank you very much.